Hi everyone, I have been waiting a while to get my hands on one of these, and I'm very excited to showcase this build to you. Inside this box are the parts I need to build the Av3. The Av3 is a gasket-mounted, stacked acrylic keyboard with a modified Alice layout designed and built by the legendary Joe of Ivy Works. This is specifically a round 3 board, and in each round only 90 slots are available with some B-stock boards up for sale at random times. Round 3 was split into 2 blocks, and each one had all its spots claimed in less than 30 seconds, so I'm very fortunate to have one of these. For the sake of content creation, I have all 3 plate options so that I can provide a reference point as to how different switches sound in this amazing board. The wrist rest is an add-on option, but I had to get one to complete the look. It follows the same design language as the Av3 with the stacked acrylic, frosted top layers, and stainless steel risers. Alright, so to get started we must remove the top screws, remove the layers 2 at a time, and begin peeling the adhesive paper off the acrylic. Once the layers are back on, I will just add 2 screws to keep things together. Each plate comes with its own set of laser cut pour-on gaskets, so it's just a matter of getting those attached. I have Durock V2 stabilizers, which I wholly modded. You don't have to use the felt washers on this PCB, but I did so anyways, otherwise I would just lose them. Before I go any further, I'm going to check the stabs first. The EVA plate foam sits between the PCB and the plate. It has die-cut incisions around the alpha keys, so if you want, you can remove that part of the foam, which will increase the sound from the alphas. For this build, I am using OPBlack switches, which I recently got from Divinity. These have been looped with Krytox 205 Grade 2. They have a frosted top, which pairs nicely with the Av3's frosted acrylic top layers. Moving on to the wrist rest. It's a very similar process to the main board of disassembly, peeling off the adhesive paper, and then reassembly. Here I am installing the rubber bumpons. If you don't do this, then the edge of the topmost stainless steel riser will sit on your desk. I didn't want to take any chances of a desk pad getting damaged, so on they go. The last step is moving keycaps over. Since I'm still waiting on a couple group buy sets to come in, I'm using my Miami Night set. And here's my Av3. One last thing before I do a quick typing test is to weigh this beast. Amazingly, the wrist rest alone weighs more than my fully built KBD67 V3, which came in at 1,060 grams. The Av3 goes even further at 5 pounds and 2 ounces. Alright, here's how it sounds. Overall, I am beyond happy with this board. The neutral color design means every keycap set looks good, and I haven't heard a bad sound test yet. I love all the design choices, and it's clear that everything was methodically and intentionally planned. The Av3 truly is an endgame board for me, at least in terms of the ergonomic format, and I can't wait to try the other plates to get sound tests out for everyone. Thanks for watching, I hope this was helpful.